Assalamu alaikum students. How are you doing? Hope you will be fine and enjoying the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So in the previous clip we learned how to write an application, and for this we discussed the format of application, and after that we wrote an application in which you requested your headmistress to grant you 15 days Umrah leave. And today we are going to write an application to the headmistress of your school in which we are requesting to issue a transfer certificate to you. So come to the register, let's discuss an application. So first of all, you will write the question in your registers. सबसे पहले आपको registers में question लिखना है. So what is the question? Write an application to the headmistress of your school requesting her to issue you the transfer certificate. And after that you will start writing the application. The format of application is known to you. You know about the format of application, so you can write the application easily. So what you will do first, सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे? First of all you will write the date. सबसे पहले आप date लिखेंगे. 2nd September, 2020 full stop. So take care of the format. Take care of every little step, of every little point. Right girls? After that you will drop a line, फिर एक line drop करेंगे, and then you will write the designation of the person to whom you are writing. And right now you are writing to the headmistress of your school, so you will write here the headmistress, comma, ABC school, comma, Karachi, full stop. Right girls? Designation, name of the institution and city name. Okay? After that you will drop a line again. उसके बाद आप फिर एक line drop करेंगे और फिर subject लिखेंगे. For subject you will write subject, colon, issuance of transfer certificate and underline this. सबसे पहले आपने subject लिखा, उसके बाद colon लगाया, issuance of transfer certificate लिखकर उसको underline किया, and you can see that I of issuance, T of transfer and C of certificate are in capital letters. Issuance का I, T का transfer का T and certificate का C आपको capital लिखना है, but O of is in small letter. तो preposition तो हम small letters में लिखेंगे, लेकिन बाकी तमाम words capital letter से start करेंगे in subject. Right girls? And after that you will write the salutation, and for this you will write madam, comma, and then you will start the first paragraph, and in first paragraph you will discuss 2 points. कौन से 2 points हैं वो? First of all you will write your introduction, and then you will write the reason of writing. So here is your introduction. With due respect, comma, I want to say that I am XYZ, comma, student of class 9th A in your prestigious school. So this is your introduction, and after that you will write the reason of writing. Why are you writing the application? My father has been transferred to Islamabad. My family is also moving there with him. This is why I cannot continue my studies in this school. Right? So the first paragraph has been completed. Girls, you can change some phrases, some words. You can use your own words. Like here you can write I beg to say that, or I want to state that, or it is to state, or it is to request. तो आप अपने कुछ phrases जो हैं वो खुद लिख सकती हैं. इसी तरह से कुछ words भी change कर सकती हैं आप, like in your prestigious school, so you can write in your renowned school or in your esteemed school. ये बात मैंने आपको previous clip में भी बताई थी. And similarly, my family is also moving there, so you can write that my family is also shifting there. So in this way you can change some words or some phrases and can write in your own words. तो इसके बाद फिर आप पैराग्राफ चेंज कीजिए. अब नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ में आपको क्या लिखना है? आपको रिक्वेस्ट लिखनी है फॉर विच यू आर राइटिंग द एप्लीकेशन. सो व्हाट इज़ द रिक्वेस्ट? kindly issue me a transfer certificate. And after that, complete it first. Kindly issue me a transfer certificate so that I could take admission in other school. ये कंप्लीट हुआ. उसके बाद आपको एक नोट ऑफ थैंक्स लिखना है. आफ्टर दैट यू विल राइट अ नोट ऑफ थैंक्स. फॉर दिस यू विल राइट आई शैल बी थैंकफुल टू यू इन दिस रिगार्ड. यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट आई शैल बी ग्रेटफुल टू यू फॉर योर काइंड कंसिडरेशन, और आई शैल बी थैंकफुल टू यू फॉर योर काइंड फेवर, etc. So after completing second paragraph, you will write subscription and signature. So in subscription you will give a little note, एक छोटा सा note लिखेंगे आप, and in this you will write like yours sincerely. You can also write yours obediently, or yours faithfully, or yours truly, etc. And you can see that Y of yours is in capital letter, and S of sincerely is in small letter. So after yours sincerely, comma, then you will write the name. और चूँकि हम left alignment में पूरा काम कर रहे हैं, so you can see that the whole format of the application is towards the left side. Left side पर है, आपका नाम भी left side पर ही आया है. So you can see the whole format of the application. आप पूरा format application का देख सकते हैं. और मैंने आपको previous clip में भी ये बात बताई थी कि एप्लीकेशन कोशिश कीजिए कि एक पेज में आ जाए, पूरा फॉर्मेट एक ही पेज में नज़र आ जाए. लेकिन अगर पूरी एप्लीकेशन एक पेज में ना आ सके, सो राइट इट on the consecutive pages पे इसको लिखिए, ताकि एग्जामिनर एक नज़र में ही इस पूरे फॉर्मेट को देख सकें और उनको समझ आ जाए कि यू हैव रिटन द राइट फॉर्मेट. राइट गर्ल्स? सो आपको आज ये काम अपने रजिस्टर्स में कंप्लीट करना है. ये एप्लीकेशन अपने रजिस्टर्स में लिखनी है. इंशाल्लाह इन द नेक्स्ट क्लिप, इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास, we will start some new topic. Till then, take care.